on that hat with that crazy hair.
Better?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to PC Adventures.
Good morning.
Yeah. We're here at beautiful frozen Tyler Lake.
It's frozen, guys.
Yeah, we hiked up here from Wrights Lake yesterday and made it up here around 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, we had to do a lot of snow traversing and we weren't expecting that. Got through it safely. Took a little bit of time to get up here. There was some post-holing, but overall it wasn't too bad.
Yeah, not out of my comfort zone.
Yeah.
A lot of water, like there's so much water coming off the snow down this hill. And yeah, it was beautiful, super fun.
It was a fun hike, actually. You know, it's kind of testy when you're going through the snow in the late afternoon, but it was still a very fun hike to get up here. And then what was pretty hilarious was getting to Tyler Lake and being like, oh, it is frozen.
Yeah, the lake is completely frozen for the most part. The one campsite that I've stayed at before was still completely buried in snow. So we had to kind of improvise. We had to walk around a little bit. And luckily we found this flat spot up here. The only problem is it's on granite and there's no real way to like stake the tent down. And because this is a trekking pole tent, you need to stake it down just to hold it up. And so we had to do this big rock, little rock
method.
Yeah, which luckily worked out really well.
As you can see, the tent is standing. The winds came in around midnight, 1 a.m. and they were howling. They've been howling ever since. It's kind of lightened up, but overnight, oh my gosh,
it was crazy windy. It was hard to sleep through all the wind, and I fully expected the tent to fall down. And to my surprise, to both of our surprises, it didn't, and was still standing.
Yeah.
So yay.
So the method worked.
Yeah, so anyways, this was a fun hike. We have another really fun kind of a little through hike to do, another Arizona trail training hike. We're going to do Wrights Lake to Meeks Bay. We're going to be going over 4 passes, Rockbound Pass, Mosquito Pass, Dick's Pass, and Phipps Pass.
Phipps Pass. We're going to end up at Meeks Bay and spend 4th of July with Paton's family.
Yeah, in Tahoe, West Lake Tahoe. So really excited for that.
Yeah, so these have been some really good training hikes for the AZT. It's going to get pretty cold there at night when we're doing it in the fall. So this was a good one to train for because we needed to upgrade like our socks and a couple other things.
Yeah, so really excited for the 4th of July hike, and hopefully we can get on another hike before that, maybe just a quick overnight. Somewhere out here in these mountains.
Yeah, so we're going to pack up camp and head on back to the truck. We're going to head into South Lake Tahoe and go meet up with some friends and have some sushi and hot tub.
Yes, needed.
Yes. So thanks for following along, and we'll keep you guys updated.
Yep. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.